All right, so here's my new lens. Same cage, Lux Bell cage, which I really like. I don't have any problems with it. One thing I did forget to mention is it does allow for a cold shoe, and you can mount on the bottom, the GoPro mount on the bottom, which is really cool because then you can use it for a tripod. You can just take it right off the helmet, throw it on the tripod, and do your setup with that. I don't have that tripod. I have it comes with the cold shoe, but I don't have the the shotgun mic and all that stuff. So, but I can get it, and it makes it real easy. But anyway, here's the lens. I don't know if you can see. So this is the ND16. It came with a 4, a 16, and a 32, and I haven't run the 16 yet, but we'll see what it looks like. I just took it out, so we'll see. But hopefully it came out okay. I really like it. It's screwed on, so it's pretty solid. It doesn't move. You can see it doesn't move. So, and if it stays on, unlike the other ones I had, if it stays on, that's half the battle. All right, thanks.